Right out.
We put a new motor in it and parked it right here, and that was like a month ago.
Yeah, this 240, you may know it, you may have seen it on the channel, you may be familiar.
You may not.
You may not. Who knows? Bought this thing like, it's like a year ago almost. Took it drifting a couple times, but the last time I took it drifting, I rod knocked the motor. I'm going back to pits. I think I blew up my motor. But today we drive it. I just gotta get some shit out of it. But yeah, we're just gonna putz around in it a little bit, test it out, make sure it doesn't explode or overheat. Or got all the ponies there.
Maybe knock it again.
Maybe knock it again, you know, who knows? And then just kind of clean it up.
There's a whole fucking cup of money in here.
Yeah. From when Kat worked at Gravity, like fucking a year ago. Gotta get my bumping sound system out of here. This is all shit that we're gonna put in the Lexus eventually. Actually, I'm gonna put it in the Lexus right now. Got this dinosaur. Guess how many amps this fucking huge machine is? 300 amps, bro. 300. These days, you see something like this, it's like at least 1,000 amps. 300 amps, bro.
That's like a 16 gigabyte hard drive from like 99 or some shit.
It's true, but I got it for free. 10-inch rat's nest. What I've been told doesn't work, but it was free. And I guess this does work.
And you got it for free.
And I got it for free. And then I got a box for that thing to go in. Paid for this one.
Oh, remember the last time you went drifting and all of this stuff was in there?
Didn't notice it. A lot of the comments noticed. All right, we gotta move Parker's car first.
I just opened this thing. It smells bad in there.
Yeah, it smells like booty.
Yeah.
Oh God. I don't even know how to describe that. Yo, what's great about this car is you let out the clutch all the way and then it starts moving. Give me a review of this clutch. Oh, you don't need to use any throttle, don't worry. How far out is your foot right now?
I thought it was all the way out, but it's all the way out.
Not even touching anything.
Man, that's fucked.
Yeah, it's really bad.
Are we gonna try to start this bad boy now?
Yeah, it should start right up, hopefully. Heard a bunch of relays click.
Yep. We decided we're just gonna jump it with jumper cables.
Yeah, I mean, I got this for Christmas. It's now March. I don't have a charger for it, so.
Starter it? Yes, sir. Still welded.
Still welded. Didn't get unwelded. Something just fell out.
Should I go check?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Oh. Okay. Yeah.
What is it?
That's part of the old motor mount we didn't use. It's probably just sitting on the frame rail or something.
Yeah, that might happen a couple more times.
That might. Damn, those transmission mounts are solid.
So in case you're behind, this is the maiden voyage of the new motor.
Yep.
Oh, Honda.
Oh, point out the hood. Yeah.
How's she feeling?
It's great, man. I miss it. I miss it a lot. Feels like a KA. Feels like it might be a little torquey, or maybe I just don't remember.
It feels more torquey to me, but I don't know.
Man, it drives nice, dude. And this new clutch is great too.
We're a little bit on second gear.
There you go. Oh, it's fun, dude. Don't know why the tack doesn't work, but I also don't really care.
Did you not have a Speedo in the first place?
It barely worked. Most of the time I didn't have a Speedo.
So what are we gonna do?
Well, I figure we'll put my front lip on, because that really is like my favorite part of this whole car, really. And then we'll just clean her up.
Oh, get some of this action. Oh.
That's the paint.
God, what happened?
Sat around, man. It's an old car. I mean, the paint was awful when I bought the car.
Yeah.
This is my sick ass fucking hyper white spray painted East Bear genuine replica.
Is this just 2 zip ties and golden?
2 zip ties. Whoops. Love that lip.
Yeah, it looks good.
So 90s.
Let's wash it.
Let's wash it. Nothing but the best.
Shout out Griot's Garage, baby.
Yeah,
Thanks for hooking us up.
1 liter for washing, 1 liter for drinking.
Yup. They know how we roll.
Oh, it's 1.89 liters.
Damn.
Damn. 1 gallon for gallons, 1 liter per gallon.
Yeah.
How many diamonds per wall does it take to drink a gallon of cleaner?
We get a sniff. Oh. Mmm, that's so good. That's probably enough.
Nah, dude, never enough.
This shit's like jelly tone. Makes me want to eat it more.
Mm. Don't tilt it too far, you might be drinking it.
She moves pretty viscosely.
It's like fucking Dairy Queen in there. By that I mean it's delicious. It's costly. This is my favorite. Look at this. Wouldn't be the first time.
Did you ever get a bunch of homies in the pool to watch around the outside of the pool, make a whirlpool? And then you would like turn around and walk against it once you got it flowing real good?
My favorite is like it's just sitting in the middle and it just rotates you. I love to sit and rotate. This bucket took half it.
There's all the homies in the middle.
That's what you want in your clean water bucket. You want dirt. That looks delicious too.
I know, I'm trying to eat that.
That looks like steamed milk, like from a barista.
Ay. Dude, this rear valance looks like a saggy diaper.
Oh yeah, I need to fix that really bad. It's just because this broke right here.
Oh.
And it's like, it was never tucked up really well anyway. So like, yeah.
We're about to give it the best smelling soap it could ever dream of.
This guy's got features. Oh shit, I'm so sorry. We got full, we got flat, we got jet, we got shower.
Nice.
We got mist.
Wow.
We got the soaker. We got
It looks inadequate.
the cone. Oh, that's it. Yeah. This shitty fucking Harbor Freight chamois was already falling apart. A lesson I learned from @Rusty350Z.
Oh, the man.
Wash it twice. When you think you're done with a section, wash it again. If you want to see me in a Speedo, not in a Speedo, but if you want to see me damn near naked, check the link in the description.
And subscribe while you're over there.
Yeah, for sure.
Damn, that thing really do be falling apart.
What?
The chamois. I saw AutoZone was sold out. They had a rack, like a Griot's Garage rack, and they were all gone. Oh yeah, dude, this door is fucked. I'm excited to see this.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. That's just grease from working on cars and then touching the door.
You should open it and do the seal.
Yeah.
Give it the shower, dude.
I love the shower.
Oh, give it the mist.
Oh yeah. Oh, the cone's not bad.
Yeah, the cone go hard.
But pull go to the hardest.
She looking good.
Damn. She looking much better. It looks so much better. That's crazy.
They're kind of dirty.
Oh, it's definitely still dirty, but that's because A lot of this car is not got
so good.
Yeah, not great paint. But for what it is, it looks a lot good. It is what it is. I mean, this is the worst side of the car. It looks pretty alright. Shined up the wheels a little bit.
Alright, there it is all in the sunlight. Looks so good.
It looks even better knowing that it runs and drives.
Yeah. Alright, that's gonna wrap up this video.
Correct.
We just wanted to give DJ's car a quick little rip, make sure it worked.
Yeah, because we did all that work and then we just stashed it in the corner. People are like, yo, what the fuck? Where'd that car go?
Yeah. So we need to get tabs on it before you can start really driving it. But
yeah, I plan on taking this thing home and just switching off between this thing and the Lexus for a little bit and having fun. It's got a few little things I want to fix, like figure out why the tach doesn't work. Your subframe, like collars that we put in, crackle a lot. That probably just means we need to get in there and tighten some bolts, and it's probably it. Exciting to drive that thing again. It's so fun. And I think the new motor is a little torquier.
Yeah, definitely feels torquier to me.
Well, it's getting the torquiest thing we've ever driven.
Yeah.
Well, not really, but...
Thanks to everyone.
Yeah, all the regular viewers, all the new guys, all the Patreons, everybody who supports us, watches our videos, loves what we do. We love you for loving what we do.
Ice cream paint on my Louis V soda can. I just no scope, yo bitch, check the bandy cam. 10 racks in my hands, call me Edward Van Hands. I was in a band, man, we were called the Band Band. Meet me at the Denny's, cause I'm cooking up a band slam. Yeah, ooh, yeah, ooh, yeah, I have way more money than you. Ran out of pockets, keep money in my shoe. 10 rollies on my wrist, dream come true. Granting all my wish, that's what the money do. Rolling up a swish, puff till I turn blue. Double styrofoam dish, brain turned to goo. I don't really care, cause the doctor make it new. I'm really rich, and that's what the money do. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Ooh, yay. Woo, yeah. Blah, 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 pussy, money, money, weed. Yada, 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 got a wad of paper all green. Henny, 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 roly polies.